Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive north on I-15 in Utah. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. If this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins on I-15 near Nephi, Utah. From here, we'll continue north into the Utah Valley, passing by Santaquin, Payson, Spanish Fork, Springville, and finally we will exit into Provo, which is where this video and day will end. This video is from the 6th day of my 10-day adventure to the west coast and back, which includes video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones we've already seen like Arizona, Texas, and Oklahoma, but also upcoming states like Colorado and Kansas. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss a thing. But for now, I'm going to keep driving north on I-15 in the great state of Utah. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video from this trip, we'll drive through Provo and Orem, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.